Hello my dear students of class 3. Today I am here again with another video, and today we are going to start a new chapter called The Plant Fairy. This is our second chapter, and hope that you will listen it carefully. First of all, in this picture there are some children. They are playing with their sister in the garden, and they and in this game they are learning many more different kinds of trees, leaves, plants, etc. Okay students, last Sunday they all went to the garden in the neighborhood. Then there they play hide and seek, chupan chupai, and antakshari, and then they had a lots of fun in the garden of neighborhood. And after some times, Didi said, let us begin a new game today. We played this game in the camp last year. And then Didi said, I will be a plant fairy. The plant fairy will call out a name of something, and you will have to touch it, and the game began, Didi said. And remember students, Didi is a plant fairy. And the plant fairy asked them to touch a plant. At once they all ran towards the plants. Amur ran and held the marigold plant, and Sabnam quickly sat and touching a jasmine plants. And Michael touched a mehendi bush, and at last Dayaram catch hold of a neem trees and stand there. Okay students, tell me, do you think all the plants are similar to each other? No, I don't think so. They all are different from each other. And students, turn to another page, and Didi said, very good. Everyone has touched a plant, but Didi said, have you all noticed all the plants that you have touched are different from each other? Didi, you are also sitting in the last little plants, said Sabnam. Can you name the plants? Which? Didi sitting in the grass. And grass is also kinds of plants. And then continue the game, and once again the plant fairy said, go there and touch the tree which have either thick or thin trunk. Let me tell something about trees. Some are very thick and tall, some are bushy, and some are so weak that they cannot stand straight. Have you seen a tree with a trunk as thick as the one shown on the figure? Yes, people tree. It have a thick trunk. Okay, let's continue. And Michael found the game was very interesting, and he thought that how lucky the plant fairy was. Why? Because she could give the order to everyone. Now Michael said, I want to be a plant fairy. Then all children laughed at him loudly, and they told, a boy fairy. After some times, all the children get ready to take order from the new plant fairy. As soon as he became plant fairy, he gave an order, go and bring some leaves quickly. But remember, you are not to pluck. The meaning of the pluck is to remove the leaves from the plants, said Didi. After they heard a order from new plant fairy, they all ran to collect the leaves which were lying. The meaning of the lying is rest flat on the surface, on the ground. Dayaram said that he did not know that there are different types of leaves. Some are round, some are long, and some are even in triangular shape. Amu said, "Have you have you ever noticed that there are many different kinds of color as well? Look, some are green, some are dark green, and some are even yellow, red color, and purple too. There are one leaves which is green but has a white patch. The meaning of the patch is a part of a surface that is different in some way from the area around it. And have you all noticed that even margin of leaves are also different from each other? Some have straight margin, some uneven. The meaning of the uneven is zigzag. Some of these leaf margins also look like a saw, said Sabnam. Amu and Sabnam together Ammu and Sabnam together they shouted loudly, we also want to be a plant fairy. we also we also want to be a plant fairy. After hearing them shouting, Didi said, no, today, not today. We will continue this game next Sunday. Now it's time to go back to home. When they were going back to home, Didi recited. The meaning of the recited is a list from memory for everyone. Thank you. Have a great day. Stay at home and be safe.